Hello moms! Breastfeeding and pumping are both wonderful ways to feed your baby breast milk. Breastfeeding allows your baby to nurse directly from the breast. It provides natural nutrition, supports bonding, and helps your baby feel comforted and secure. Many babies enjoy the closeness and warmth that comes with breastfeeding. Breast pumping allows you to express breast milk using a manual or electric pump. Pumping gives you flexibility, especially if you work, need rest, or want others to help with feeding. Many nursing moms use both breastfeeding and pumping. This combination helps maintain milk supply while giving moms more freedom and balance. To support milk production, feed or pump regularly, drink enough water, and eat nourishing meals. Rest is also important for your body. No matter how you choose to feed your baby, providing breast milk is a loving and powerful choice. You are doing your best, and that matters.